In the crowded market of digital tools designed to help teams work better, BaseCamp has carved out a distinct niche for itself. Many people hear the name and associate it with project management, which is certainly accurate. However, to truly understand BaseCamp, it's helpful to categorize it more precisely and grasp its underlying philosophy. As a project management expert, I see BaseCamp not just as a piece of software, but as a practical embodiment of a particular approach to managing work and fostering collaboration. So, what type of program is BaseCamp? At its core, BaseCamp is a project management and team collaboration software. But that simple label doesn't fully capture its essence. It's more accurately described as a centralized communication and work hub designed specifically for organizations that prioritize clarity, focused work, and asynchronous communication over constant real-time chatter and complex feature sets. Let's unpack this further. 1. Project management software simplified. Yes, BaseCamp is undeniably a project management tool. It provides the fundamental components needed to manage projects effectively. To-do lists. These are central to BaseCamp, allowing teams to break down work into manageable tasks, assign them to individuals, and set due dates. They emphasize accountability and clarity on what needs to be done. Schedules. A built-in calendar helps teams track deadlines, milestones, and events, ensuring everyone is aware of important dates. Docs and files. Each project has a dedicated space for storing and organizing all relevant documents, files, and assets. This eliminates the need for separate cloud storage solutions and keeps everything related to a project in one accessible location. Basic progress tracking. While it doesn't offer complex Gantt charts or detailed resource leveling, BaseCamp provides visual tools like hill charts to give a high-level overview of project progress and identify where things might be getting stuck. However, BaseCamp deliberately simplifies many traditional project management functions. It intentionally omits features commonly found in other tools, such as intricate dependency mapping, advanced time tracking, though a basic add-on is available, complex resource management, or highly customizable reporting dashboards. This simplification is not a weakness in BaseCamp's eyes. It's a core strength aimed at reducing complexity and cognitive overhead for users. 2. Team collaboration and communication platform. This is where BaseCamp truly shines and differentiates itself. More than just managing tasks, BaseCamp is designed to be the central hub for all team communication related to a project. It aims to reduce reliance on scattered emails, endless chat threads, and frequent meetings. Its key communication features include message boards for official announcements, project updates, decisions, and more formal discussions that require a clear record. Messages are structured and allow for threaded comments, keeping conversations organized by topic. Campfire, group chat, a real-time chat space within each project for quick, informal discussions, brainstorming, or casual check-ins. It's designed to be ephemeral and less structured than message boards. Pings, direct messages for one-on-one or small group private conversations, similar to direct messages in other chat applications. Automatic check-ins, customizable prompts that ask team members to provide regular updates on their work, status, or any blockers. This automates status reporting and keeps everyone informed without constant manual check-ins. The philosophy here is to keep all project-related communication with the project. This means team members don't have to search through email inboxes or chat histories to find critical information or decisions. Everything lives in the context of the project where it belongs. 3. A centralized work hub, the all-in-one aspect. BaseCamp positions itself as an all-in-one solution for team collaboration and project management. The idea is to replace a patchwork of different tools, perhaps Slack for chat, Asana for tasks, Dropbox for files, and separate email threads for discussions with a single integrated platform. This centralization offers several benefits from a project management standpoint. Reduced context switching. Team members spend less time jumping between different applications, reducing mental fatigue and increasing focus. Single source of truth. All project-related information, communication, and files are in one place, minimizing confusion and ensuring everyone is working from the latest information. Simplified onboarding. New team members can quickly get up to speed on a project by simply being added to the BaseCamp project, where all historical context resides. Cost efficiency. For many organizations, consolidating tools can lead to cost savings compared to subscribing to multiple specialized services. Underlying philosophy. Calm, focused work. Beyond its features, understanding BaseCamp requires grasping its philosophy, championed by its creators Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansen. This philosophy emphasizes asynchronous communication, encouraging communication that doesn't require immediate responses, allowing people to focus on deep work without constant interruptions. This is crucial for remote teams, which BaseCamp itself is. Deliberate pace, promoting a calmer, more sustainable work rhythm, moving away from the frantic, always-on culture that some other tools inadvertently encourage. Simplicity and clarity. Believing that complex software often creates more problems than it solves, BaseCamp focuses on a straightforward interface and core functionalities. Less is more. Its creators are famous for arguing against adding more features if those features introduce unnecessary complexity. Who is BaseCamp best suited for? Given its nature, BaseCamp is particularly well suited for small to medium-sized teams. Its simplicity and pricing model often appeal to smaller organizations or departments. Remote or distributed teams. Its emphasis on asynchronous communication and centralized information is ideal for teams spread across different locations and time zones. Teams overwhelmed by complex tools. If your team feels bogged down by feature-rich, intimidating project management software, BaseCamp offers a refreshing alternative. Service-based businesses, agencies, consultants. Its strong client collaboration features, allowing clients to participate in specific project areas without seeing internal discussions, are a major draw. Projects requiring clear, structured communication. Where email threads become unmanageable, BaseCamp provides a much-needed structure.